In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams desktop app. By the end, you'll have Microsoft Teams running in its own window like a traditional desktop app, without needing to download a separate installer. We'll be using your web browser's built-in Install Page as App feature, which creates a clean, focused Teams experience with its own icon and taskbar entry. First, open your preferred modern browser and go to the official Microsoft Teams website. Give the page a moment to fully load so your browser recognizes it as an installable web app. This step is important because the install option only appears when the site is ready for it. Next, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is the main menu that holds additional tools and options. Click it to open the drop-down. If you don't see the three dots, make sure your browser window isn't zoomed in too far or hidden behind another application. Inside that menu, move your cursor over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet, just hover. This reveals a small submenu that includes options related to saving, sharing, and interacting with the page. Hovering here helps surface the installation tools your browser provides for supported sites like Teams. Now, click Install Page as App. This tells your browser to install Microsoft Teams as a standalone application on your device using the site you already have open. You may see a quick confirmation prompt. After you accept it, Teams will open in its own dedicated window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, giving you a desktop-like feel that's great for focus and productivity. From here, you can keep Teams open just like any other app. The installed version will typically appear in your operating system's app list and can be pinned to your taskbar or dock later if you want faster access. Because this is powered by your browser, it updates automatically as the site updates, so there's nothing extra to maintain. If the Install Page as App option isn't visible, make sure you're on the official Microsoft Teams website and that your browser is up to date. Sometimes a quick refresh of the page helps the option appear. That's all there is to it. You went to the official site, opened the three-dot menu, hovered over Cast, Save, and Share, and clicked Install Page as App. Enjoy the cleaner, distraction-free Microsoft Teams experience in its own window.